On 14th May 2025, Jupiter will be transiting Gemini, marking a significant karmic shift for individuals with Jupiter in Gemini in their natal charts. This is a time when the efforts and actions of the past 12 years come to fruition, bringing rewards and blessings. In this video, we are focusing on those with Jupiter in Gemini in the third house of their birth charts. The transit will be especially impactful when Jupiter is within plus minus 5 degrees of your natal Jupiter degree, as this alignment sparks profound realizations, transformations, and breakthroughs. Every 12 years, this cosmic event invites you to reflect on the lessons learned and set fresh intentions for the new cycle ahead. Jupiter's expansive energy amplifies the qualities of Gemini and Mercury, whether those qualities are strength or challenges, depending on how you harness this energy. When Jupiter transits over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the third house, this transit brings a surge of expansion and growth in areas related to communication, learning, siblings, short travels, and the way you connect with your immediate environment. The third house governs your mental processes, intellect, and interactions with the world around you, especially in the form of communication and information exchange. With the Gemini's air element, mutable quality, and Mercury's rulership adding their own influence, Jupiter's expansive energy will amplify these areas significantly. The air element in Gemini naturally enhances your intellectual capacities, making this transit an excellent time for learning, teaching, and intellectual growth. You may find yourself drawn to new subjects, courses, or fields of study, eager to expand your knowledge and gain new insights. Your communication abilities, ruled by Mercury, will also be heightened, allowing you to articulate your ideas more clearly and persuasively. This is a time when you might have a lot to say, and your words will carry weight, allowing you to influence others through your ideas, whether in personal conversations, social media, or professional settings. With Jupiter's expansive energy, your intellectual curiosity will be amplified. You may become increasingly interested in acquiring new skills, particularly those related to writing, speaking, technology, or media. This transit also brings a favorable opportunity for publishing, whether you are considering writing a book, sharing your expertise through blogs, or engaging in public speaking. You could find your voice in new ways, expressing ideas that reflect your higher wisdom or greater understanding. Additionally, this could be a period of increased networking where connecting with like minded people or attending workshops and seminars might lead to new opportunities. In terms of relationships with siblings, the third house rules the bonds you share with brothers and sisters. Jupiter's influence here can bring harmonious connections and a sense of mutual support. There may be a growth in the relationship with your siblings, whether it's an increase in communication or opportunities to collaborate on a project. If you have had any misunderstandings or conflicts with them in the past, Jupiter's blessings could bring resolution and healing. Travel, particularly short journeys, is also favored during this transit. You may be inspired to take frequent trips for learning, professional development, or even just for personal exploration. Jupiter's expansive nature will encourage you to explore new places, cultures, or ideas, and this sense of adventure could refresh your mind and spirit. However, there are also some challenges that come with the air element and mutable nature of Gemini during this period. The third house governs how you process and disseminate information, and while Jupiter's expansive energy is wonderful for acquiring new knowledge, there is also a risk of information overload or spreading yourself too thin. You might find yourself jumping from one idea to another, unable to focus on a single topic long enough to master it. This scattergun approach could lead to frustration as you may struggle to follow through on your own ideas or projects. Additionally, the mutable nature of Gemini can bring restlessness or inconsistency in your communications. While your ideas and words are likely to flow freely, Jupiter's amplification of this energy could make you prone to overpromising or exaggerating your abilities, leading to misunderstandings or unmet expectations. It's essential to strike a balance between enthusiasm and practicality to avoid overextending yourself. Mercury's rulership of Gemini also means that while you may excel in intellectual pursuits, there is a possibility of becoming over analytical or critical during this time. The desire The desire for perfection or the urge to prove your intellectual prowess could cloud your judgment or hinder your ability to connect with others on an emotional level. Be mindful of being too caught up in your thoughts or opinions, as this might create barriers in communication, especially with close friends, family, or colleagues. When transiting Jupiter comes within 5 degrees of your natal Jupiter, the effects will be most potent, with opportunities for growth, learning, and connection becoming particularly clear. You may feel like you are entering a new phase of intellectual maturity with important realizations and opportunities for sharing your wisdom with the world. Karmic rewards related to past efforts in communication or learning may also manifest during this period, bringing you the recognition or success you have worked toward. In conclusion, Jupiter's transit over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the third house is a time of intellectual growth, expansive communication, and harmonious connections with siblings and peers. You will experience heightened curiosity and mental activity, bringing opportunities to learn, teach, and connect on a deeper level. However, be cautious of spreading yourself too thin or exaggerating your abilities, as the mutable quality of Gemini could lead to inconsistency. By staying grounded and focused, you can make the most of this period, expanding your horizons and using your communication skills to build meaningful relationships and professional successes.